ahead, Annalyn. Hello, my name is Annalyn. I'm a senior high student at naniniwala ako sa kasabihang time. Yun na ba yun? Okay, let's move on. Next, Tyron.
Hello, my name is Tyron, senior high student.
Tyron, can you hear us?
Sir, hello.
Tyron, can you hear
Sir,
us?
hello. Hello?
Tyron,
Sir,
Tyron, nandiyan ka ba?
hello. Hello,
Tyron,
sir.
this is my final warning,
Uy,
Tyron.
panot, nandito ako. Present ako.
Huy! Oh my God! Huy, Tyron! What is this behavior,
Sir,
Tyron?
hindi, sir.
This will go to your grave.
Hello.
Tyron, are you listening?
Hello, sir.
Tyron!
Hello. Hello. Tang-inam.
Huy! Hello! Gagi! Tyron, I need to talk to your parents.
Sir, hindi po. Hindi yung ibig ko.
Your attitude is concerning.
Sir, hello, sir. Wag.
Ha, Tyron?
Sir, sir, nandito.